In this video, I'll show you how to find your Microsoft Teams ID. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In Microsoft Teams, the word ID can mean different things depending on what you need. It might mean your meeting ID, your email or account ID, or a team join code. Microsoft's support pages mainly show how to find a meeting ID in meeting details, and how team owners can find or generate a team code from team settings. Let's start with the most common one, which is the meeting ID. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the Calendar tab. Find the meeting you want, open it, and view the meeting details. Microsoft says you can find the meeting ID and passcode in the meeting details from your Teams calendar by selecting Details and then Show Meeting Info. You can also find the same meeting ID at the top of the meeting invite email. Now, if by Teams ID you mean the account you use to sign in, that is usually your email address. In many cases, that is the identifier people need when they want to invite you to a team, a meeting, or an organization. To check it, open Teams, click your profile picture in the top right, and look under your name. In most setups, your sign-in email is shown there. Microsoft Community Guidance also notes that for many users, this is the most common Teams ID people are asking for. If you are trying to find a team code so someone can join your team, that is different from a meeting ID. Microsoft says team owners can generate this from the team settings. Go to your team, open the team options, then go to Settings and find Team Code. From there, choose Generate and Copy. Once you share that code, other people can use it to join the team directly. There is also a more technical type of ID called a user object ID, which is mainly used by admins, developers, or IT teams. Microsoft Q&A guidance says this can usually be found in the Teams Admin Center or in Microsoft Entra, where it appears as the object ID for the user account. This is not something most normal Teams users need, but it can be useful for advanced setup, integrations, or troubleshooting. And if you ever need to join a meeting using an ID instead of a link, Microsoft says you can open Teams, go to Calendar, choose Join with an ID, then enter the meeting ID and passcode from the invite or meeting details. So the basic idea is simple. Open your meeting details if you need the meeting ID, check your profile if you need your account email, and go to Team Settings if you need a team code. That's how to find a Microsoft Teams ID. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.